And another one spider. So take a look closer. So that one, the same plants I saw them in Ipilipil. So here in the Philippines, there season that or month that so many spider like this. Look that, she might be, there she is, she very hungry now. I thought she find some meal foods.